Let's get started with depth-based 3D in View Studio. Begin by selecting the asset you want to use. For this example, we'll use a View AI-generated image of a western town. Open the remote and switch the media mode from 2D to 3D. If it's your first time, it may take a few seconds to generate the depth map. Once generated, the image transforms into a real 3D mesh. Under the Transform tab, use the Depth Extrusion slider to control how far the foreground is from the camera, adjusting the depth of the 3D mesh. Adjust the Focal Length slider to control the camera's focal length. The Camera Transform lets you adjust the camera's position in the XY plane, changing the viewing angle. In the Adjust tab, you can change the time of day, control shadows, and relight the 3D scene. These adjustments turn the 2D image into a beautifully lit dynamic 3D scene, perfect as a backdrop for virtual production. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.